Welcome to Justin Hardware, where integrity, quality, service, and competitive pricing are our core values. Established in 2005, Justin Hardware is a leading manufacturer of DOT, SAE, DIN, ISO air brake parts and tanks for heavy-duty trucks and trailers. With headquarters in Taiwan and a factory in Ningbo, China, we produce high-quality air fittings and brake components. JIHE's commitment to quality is unmatched. Utilizing precise equipment and ISO 9001-2015 standards, we ensure top-quality products. We offer comprehensive dimension layouts and product liability insurance for DOT fittings and tanks, conforming to SAE J10 standards. Choose Justin Hardware for reliable quality. In our Ningbo factory, we produce a wide range of products, including air brake fittings and custom OEM parts. Our advanced manufacturing techniques and rigorous testing guarantee that each product performs flawlessly. Our main product lines include air fittings, air hose fittings, air line fittings, air hose couplers, and air compressor fittings made from brass, aluminum, and stainless steel. These components ensure the reliability and safety of pneumatic systems in heavy-duty vehicles. In addition to air fittings, JIH offers tire pressure gauges and air chucks to ensure your tires are properly inflated. Proper tire pressure is crucial for vehicle safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Trust Justin Hardware for reliable tire pressure gauges and air chucks. Our product lineup also includes air receiver tanks manufactured to SAE J10 standards, including seamless aluminum air tanks and regular steel air tanks. These tanks are essential for storing compressed air and ensuring your pneumatic systems have a reliable air supply.